Using PayPal Credit in store without a card is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account and be approved for PayPal Credit. First, make sure you have the latest version of the PayPal app on your mobile device. Open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings or Wallet section and select PayPal Credit. If you have not already applied for PayPal Credit, you will be prompted to do so. The application process is quick and easy, and you will receive a decision in just a few minutes. Once you have been approved for PayPal Credit, you can use it to make purchases in store without a card. To do this, you will need to use the PayPal app to generate a barcode or QR code that the cashier can scan at checkout. To generate the code, open the PayPal app and select PayPal Credit. Choose the option to use PayPal Credit in store and follow the prompts to generate the code. When you are ready to make a purchase, let the cashier know that you want to pay with PayPal Credit. They will scan the barcode or QR code and you will be prompted to confirm the payment on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your device is fully charged to avoid any issues with the payment process. It is also important to note that not all merchants accept PayPal Credit in store, so it is a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. Additionally, be aware of the interest rates and terms associated with PayPal Credit, as they may vary depending on your creditworthiness and other factors. In summary, using PayPal Credit in store without a card is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. By following these steps and being aware of the terms and conditions, you can use PayPal Credit to make purchases in store without the need for a physical card. Always review the terms and conditions and make smart financial decisions when using credit products.